Differences between questionnaires and interviews. Questionnaires versus interviews. Questionnaire implies a form consisting of a series of written or printed multiple-choice questions, to be marked by the informants, while interview is a formal conversation between the interviewer and respondent wherein the two participates in the question-answer session. The questionnaire is in written form, while the interview are in oral form. The nature of questionnaire is objective, while nature of interview is subjective. The questions of questionnaires are closed-ended, while the questions of interviews are open-ended. The cost of questionnaires are economical while the cost of interviews are expensive. The time of questionnaires are based on informant's own time, while the time of interviews are based on real time. The communication of questionnaires are done on one-to-many basis, while the communication of interviews are done on one-to-one basis. The non-response of questionnaires are high, while the non-response of interviews are low. The medium of questionnaires are based on statistical information while the medium of interviews are based on language. Questionnaires are less flexible, while interviews are more flexible. The information provided in questionnaires are factual, while the information provided in interviews are analytical. Order of questions in questionnaires are unable to change, as they are written in an appropriate sequence, while order of questions in interviews can be changed as per need and preference. Identity of respondents in questionnaires are unknown, while identity of respondents in interviews are known. Questionnaires takes less time and money to conduct, while interviews takes more time and money to conduct. 5 or 7-point Likert scale are used in questionnaires while there is no scale used in interviews. No scales are used in interviews. The structured of questionnaires are highly structured, while the structured of interviews are loosely structured. Questionnaires can be classified as both quantitative and qualitative research method depending on the nature of questions, while an interview is a qualitative research method that relies on asking questions in order to collect data. In short, a questionnaire is a list of questions or items used to gather data from respondents about their attitudes, experiences, or opinions, while an interview is a conversation for gathering information. A research interview involves an interviewer who coordinates the process of the conversation and asks questions and an interviewee who responds to those questions. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Thesis Helper. Thanks for watching.